दिख रहे हैं. Yes. Hello, good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? Yes. Am I audible? Please show a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. And can you see my screen? Yes, you can see the screen. Okay, fine. So without delay, we will start our coloring. Okay. And students, before starting, I want to announce a very important information. Okay, if your mom is near you, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can call. That Diwali special, a very special Diwali special offer we are planning for, and we have already implemented. We have started getting admissions also. See, it's a very special discount for those who enrolled for 6 months. For 6 months, the charges will be 3,000, and if you enroll for 1 year, if you take complete package of 1 year, it will be 6,000. Okay, so those who are regular student and planning of learning from long term, so they will be getting complete discount of 50%. It means just half fees. Okay, so and we have this will be given only to first 100 participants. Okay, the first 100 enrollments. After 100 enrollments, we will close the scheme. So please hurry if you feel like to go for long-term plans. So please be quick, because only first 100 students will be given this special benefit. Okay, and I'm repeating, for 6 months 3,000 rupees, and for 1 year 6,000. It means complete 50% discount. Okay, and see, this scheme is available only for first 100 seats. After getting enrollment for 100 seats, we will close this scheme. Okay, so if you want to go for this kind of long-term plans, please hurry. And this was all about my announcement. Okay, now let's come back to our work. See, last class we learned this beautiful artwork. Okay, Hansini, if you missed last class, you can go through recording and you can do. Okay, see, what you will be doing, you will be erasing extra lines. Okay, because we all know we draw, and after this, yeah, see, refund, no back, you will not get refund. Okay, see, because that create lots of problem, technical problem for us. So amount won't be refunded. Okay, yeah, it, because technically it creates lots of problem to us. Yes, now see, I will erase all extra lines. You also erase. And after this, and as soon as we get first 100 enrollment, we will, this scheme will be stopped. This is only for first 100 students. Okay. You can see here, what I did, I erased all extra lines. Okay. And one more thing, students, on demand of parents, those who want to get their children enrolled, we conduct a demo class for them. And I just want to show this. This was taught in that demo class. This was the drawing which we taught in demo class. And this complete video, this complete recording of 2 hours is available on YouTube channel. So if you want to learn, you can see from there and you can make it. Okay. So don't get disheartened. This demo art video is also available so that you can see, make and learn. Let's get started. I will start with this girl first. Okay. I will take pink. I will take skin color. Okay. And I will take red. My YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. Actually, you get recording also on my YouTube channel only of this class. Okay, pick up this red, pink, and skin color. First of all, you will be doing red in tongue. Okay, yes, do red in tongue. and mouth with pink. And as I told you today, I will be telling you a story. It's a lovely story. If you don't have watercolors, it's okay. And if you don't have peach color, in that case, you can fill light orange color also. Okay, yeah, you can go for light orange color also. Yes, now let's get started. I will be taking pink and I will be making 2 circles, okay, directly with pink color. Yes, we will be applying pink this ways. Yes, I know you all are waiting for story. Okay, so don't worry, I will be telling you story also. Okay. Yes, 2 big circles with pink, and this we will be doing only in this girl's face. Okay, not in boy's face, only for female face. For girls' face, we use this kind of pink circles. Yeah, this discount is for every batch: senior batch, super senior batch, a junior batch, and pre-junior batch. This discount is available for all batches. Okay, even for senior batch, juniors, pre-junior also. And this is available only for first 100 seats. Okay. Okay, see, these are two big circles. And after this, I will be picking up my skin color. Okay. Yes. How you will be starting? What mistake students does? They start from center. No, you will start from corner. It can be this corner. It can be this corner. I will start from chin. And see my strokes. Look at my strokes. Very small strokes. I'm not going for big strokes. No, I will not change direction. I will go for sleeping lines. And see, I will not pressurize my color. You can see each stroke I'm repeating 4 times without pressure. Very small. See how small strokes I'm taking. And I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Yes, Shambhavi, we are doing colors. Okay, skin color I'm doing now. Okay, if you have very little space, you will go for very small lines, but you will not change direction. Okay, this thing you will be keeping in mind. Small strokes, one direction. Okay. Keep doing small sleeping lines. Yeah, if your color is coming on pink, it's okay. If it is coming on pink, it is not going to make a difference. Yes, now I will start with my story also. In this drawing, you can see these are 2 kids. Okay. And the name of this boy is Rohan. And what is the name of this girl? This girl is Ayushi. Okay, Rohan and Ayushi. Brother, sister. Okay. And they were very much. See, if you want to ask about more about that fees and how many classes and what about, so you can WhatsApp. Okay, you can WhatsApp and get details. But yeah, I'm repeating because many of you are confused about. See, those who will take long-term plans for 6 months or 1 year, they will be getting complete concession of 50%. That means for 6 months, 3,000 rupees, and for 12 months, 6,000 rupees. Okay. So this is all about, and rest information you can message us on WhatsApp and we will give you all required information. Okay. So this Ayushi and Rohan, see, recorded class is always available. See this many times earlier also I announced. When you get link of class or of attending class, just above that you have a link of recording. Okay. So once the class is over and recording is uploaded, when you will click on that link, it will take you to a link where you will get recording. Okay. This is the way of getting recording. Yes, let's get started with story. So what happens, students? No, it will work, Anandita. You work again. So you must have tried. You will be getting that link only when the link is uploaded, that video is uploaded, because we also, after completing class, we also get link from Zoom and afterwards we upload. So if you will immediately try after class is over, because if we have not, we also don't have that link, so how will you get that link? So you're supposed to wait. It take time sometimes. Okay. Yes, you will complete years also. And it take maximum 24 hours. And otherwise, as soon as we get link from Zoom after the class is over, we immediately provide the link. Mm-hmm. Just a minute, you continue. Yes. क्लास में आवाज नहीं इसकी जरूरत नहीं रख लो. Okay, and you will be completing hands also. Okay, now I will start with my story because this is a lovely story you are going to enjoy for very sure. Yes, what we are going to do, yes, the characters of the story, Rohan and Ayushi, they were very, very excited for Diwali because Papa and Mama promised this time, then don't worry, this time we are going to give you money, okay? And you will be purchasing your crackers yourself. Crackers or whatever you feel like to purchase, you will be purchasing yourself. So they both, Ayushi and Rohan, they were over excited. Rohan started making list. I'm going to purchase Sutli Bum and all this kind of with loud noise, na? This kind of patakas normally boys love very much, na? Noisy crackers. So he started making list. I'm going to purchase Sutli Bum. I will be doing this. And Ayushi also started making list. I will be purchasing colorful Fuljhadi. I will be purchasing uh, Anar, Chakri, the crackers with light Ayushi was loving a lot. So they both made a big list and they were forcing Papa, you give us extra money. We will purchase lots and lots of crackers. We will burn and it will be a fun. They were super, super excited. See, after doing Ayushi's face, we will come to Rohan's face. Okay? And for Rohan's face also, you will be moving red on smile, but we will not make pink circles. Pink circles only and only for girl. So they both started making a list. Okay, they were so excited that, and they decided that then what they will be doing, they will be going to market and they will purchase crackers and a little decoration also they will do, but lots of crackers they will purchase. And this was the planning and this was full and final planning. And Papa also admitted, okay, if you want extra money to purchase more crackers, I will give you more. Don't worry, enjoy your Diwali. So they were very happy. And Ayushi was so excited. Ayushi and Rohan, they were sharing same room, है ना? Kids room. So Ayushi was so excited few days before that what to do, how to make Diwali more joyful, what is the list of crackers she is going to purchase, what new she can purchase. If any new cracker is in market, she will purchase that also. This all was the planning. And because of this excitement, she was not able to sleep. She was awakened and it was late night. Okay. And just outside, their lawn was there, outside their room. Suddenly, when it was 12 o'clock, Ayushi listened something very strange. Rohan was about to sleep, although not fast asleep, है ना? But Rohan was almost slept. Ayushi heard very strange noise, and this was voice of weeping. Someone was crying outside. Who's that? Ayushi was fearful. Is that any ghost? Who's that? And continuously, this kind of crying, this kind of weeping noise was coming from outside. Ayushi was very, very much frightened. What she did then? She went to Rohan. Rohan was very brave. She asked Rohan, Rohan, you please wake up. Rohan said, oh, Didi, please let me sleep. Rohan was younger one. Then Ayushi said, Rohan, please wake up. I'm afraid. Someone is crying outside. Someone is weeping. But I'm not able to see that person. I try to see with what torch, but no one is there. But noise is coming, voice is coming. You please wake up. I'm frightened. Rohan, wake up. Okay, okay, let's go outside. Aishi said, no, no, I will not go outside. It can be a ghost. I will not go. Rohan said, no, Didi, nothing is going to happen. Come with me. I'm with you. Let's go and check who's there who is crying. They went outside. And when they went outside, the noise, the volume of noise, that voice of crying increased. And it was clear. They went outside with torch and started moving their torch here and there. But they were not able to see anyone. Who is that who's crying? Rohan asked. Rohana started asking, who's that? Who's crying? Please reply. Ayushi was so much frightened that she was not having even daring of asking who's there. He was holding hand of Rohan tight and completely shivering because of fear. Okay? See, this ways we will complete face, neck, hands of Rohan and Ayushi. Okay? Yes. Finish it. Have you done with? Show thumbs up if you have done with. Okay. Very good. Very good. Please lift up. Those who have done, please show thumbs up with smile. Okay? हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. It's going perfect. Shabash. Very good. Okay, I will come back to work. Then what happened? Rohan started asking, who's there? Please reply. And a very timid sound, very sad sound they started hearing. And the reply was from a lady. And that lady was But तूने मुझसे तीन बोला था. 500 का नहीं था, तूने 3000 ही बोले थे. नहीं बोला था. जैसे याद है. It is 3500 for 3 months and No. Yeah, students. Okay, students. See, there is a correction. For 6 months, it is 3,500. Okay. Yes, this is the correction. And 6,000 for 12 months. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, it was for 6 months, it's 3,500. And for 1 year, it is 6,000. Okay. Yes. After this, that person who was crying, it was a lady. Okay. And they started asking, who's that? Who's crying? This is brown color. Start doing dark brown. Okay. Start from here first. You will be making hairline. This way is hairline. All around. Okay. Hairline all around. Yes. And after this, you will start from here. Can you hear me, students? Show your thumbs up if you can hear me. If you don't have dark brown, in that case, you can do light brown also. Okay. See, this way is, I will be giving outlines, bold outlines first, and I will start my coloring from here only. Slanting line. Okay. Okay. So this ways you will be completing your coloring. Then what happened? That reply was from a lady. It was a lady who was crying. They asked, who are you and why are you crying? That reply started coming. I'm Mother Earth. Yes, this is dark brown color. That reply was from Mother Earth. Mother Earth was weeping. Mother Earth was crying. And reply started. They started hearing. They were able to hear the voice of Mother Earth. Mother Earth started replying. My dear kids, I'm sick. I'm growing sick because of pollution all around. I'm not able to breathe. Look at my face. I have turned ugly. Earlier, I was so beautiful. But because the trees are cutting continuously and the continuous pollution, I'm not able to breathe. I'm dying. I'm sick. And now Diwali is going to come and I'm worried. All will burn crackers without thinking about me. What will happen to me? Today, my condition is this, I'm not able to breathe. And the day Diwali, when all will burn crackers and release lots of poisonous gases, what will happen to me? I'm sick. I want treatment. I want fresh air to breathe. I want plantation, more plants to grow. But no one is bothered about me. I'm doubtful whether you love me or not. I'm your mother. Please think about me. She started crying again. Ayushi and Rohan, they were very, very much upset to hear this. Actually, they were also going to do the same mistake. They were also planning of purchasing crackers and burning without being least bothered about what will happen to Mother Earth. The poisonous smoke which will be released after burning crackers. Who will be inhaling that? Mother Earth. Mother Earth is turning sick because of us. They started feeling ashamed. See, I took black for Rohan's hair, okay? Black. After doing brown in girls Ayushi's hair, I will be taking black for Rohan's hair. They both started feeling ashamed. Even we are going to do the same mistake. And actually, this is happening to Mother Earth. They were having no idea. Although they were reading in newspaper, they were listening in news, even their teacher was teaching them, don't burn cracker, pollution has gone to extreme level, people are not able to breathe, this and that. But they thought, what is going to happen if we will burn? If one will burn cracker, what difference it's going to make? That day they realized that everyone is thinking this ways only. If we will burn, what difference it will make? But we don't know that a small step brings a big change. A small step brings a big change. They were very, very sad for their decision, their selfish decision of purchasing crackers and burning. See, for Rohan's hair, I'm using wax color. As my crayon color is lost, so today I'm doing wax colors. Because of this, its texture is looking different, but it is black color. You will be doing it with crayon. Okay? Yes, this is black color and this is brown color. Okay? This ways you will be completing Rohan's hair and Ayushi's hair. Okay? Yes. Now, our next color is going to be orange, red, and deep yellow. Okay? You can take deep yellow, you can take normal yellow, any yellow you can take. Okay? Yes. So first of all, I will be starting with this inner flame of diya. Okay? Yes. I will be doing it here. And this inner circle I have now, that will be red. This way is orange and red I will be doing in diya. Okay? I will be completing all diyas this ways. And they just, after listening to this voice, this sad voice of Mother Earth, Rohan and Ayushi promised and consoled Mother Earth. Mother Earth, you don't worry. We are promising you that this time we will work hard to save you. We are promising you and we love you. You please don't think that we don't love you. We really, really love you like anything. And we are promising you, Mother Earth, that we will save you. We will make you healthy again. After doing this promise, Rohan and Ayushi, they went back. And after that, they stopped that noise, that voice of Mother Earth also stopped coming to them. They went inside room and they were planning now what to do. How can they make their Mother Earth happy? They decided to conduct a meeting of their friends. Okay, the next morning they call all their friends. See, I'm taking deep yellow and I will be doing yellow. See, I will start from here, standing line. And this ways, I will be completing this complete circle. It can be deep yellow, it can be light yellow, any yellow you can take, okay? Yes, continue doing. Even this yellow can be used. If you feel like to use this yellow, you can use this yellow also, okay? See, I will be showing both colors this ways. This ways you will be, see, this is deep yellow, this is lime yellow. You can pick up any yellow color. Diyas you can make colorful, or if you want to make earthen, you can go for brown. Or if you want to make it colorful, you can fill different beautiful colors in there, okay? So this ways, Rohan and Ayushi came inside their room and they were planning what they can do. And they decided they will call all their friends of colony. Okay, and they decided they will inform the same thing in their school, all friends of school also. No, for 3 months there is no discount. Discount is for 6 months and for 1 year. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now see, I've done yellow also. This is deep yellow and this is light yellow. Okay. Now diyas is your choice. You can make it colorful. You can make it of same color. It's absolutely your choice. Okay. I want to make diyas with different colors. I can pick up that, or I can go for simply pink color also. Okay. So let's make different colors. Make diyas with different colors. So one diya I will be doing with dark blue. Yes. Then afterwards, they decided that they will inform all friends of colony, all elders of colony, and all friends of school. They were decided, they were determined that now they will not let their Mother Earth grow sick. They will save their Mother Earth. They will improve the condition, this miserable condition Mother Earth is facing. They will not let Mother Earth live in same condition. They will improve condition of Mother Earth. And that moment only, they decided they will purchase not even a single cracker. Yeah, you can go for dark green also. Dark green diya will also look good. Okay? Different diyas. Okay? Yes. You can finish it this ways. Okay? Yes. After this, yes, after this, I will be making dress of Ayushi with a lovely color. You can go for pink. You can go for any color of your choice. You can pick up. So I just want to make dress of Ayushi with pink color. Okay, with patterns with dark pink. Okay, yes, I can see here orange color. Two girls and one is wearing red frock and one is wearing orange frock. And with lovely clips in hair. It's looking great. Continue with this. After this, pink color in dress. Okay, I will start from corner. See, start from corner. Go for standing lines. Okay, yes, pink dress for Ayushi. So they call all the friends of colony. Next day, they call all friends. And all friends were very excited. They all were having pocket money to purchase crackers. Ayushi and Rohan called all friends. And they said, this is Diwali special planning. You please meet at our home. All friends, they were having a big friend circle of their complete colony of almost 50 to 60 friends. And it was a big colony, big apartment. So they all gather and there they share the story of Mother Earth. Ayushi and Rohan, they said, we heard the voice, the miserable condition of Mother Earth. And Mother Earth was crying. She's sick and this is our duty. So we decided, Ayushi and Rohan said, we decided that this year we will not burn cracker. We are going to save Mother Earth. At place of this, we will decorate house with diyas. We will make vandanvars. We will make rangolis. Evening time, we will play antakshari. We will dance. But we will not burn crackers. Okay? So, few of friends said, without crackers, what is the fun then? No, we are going to burn crackers. But few friends were very good. They supported. Ayushi and Rohan, you are saying correct. I'm with you. We will not burn crackers. And slowly, all friends, they were united and they decided that they will inform the same story to in their schools, different schools, and they will tell their friends also what is the condition of Mother Earth. And slowly, see, I'm making checks with red. Okay, you can also make, okay, with red, pink and red checks in Ayushi's dress. Okay, yes, you can make this vase, and this vase Ayushi drawing is done. Finish it. Yeah, you can just color any dress, you can make with any color. Okay, and for making this boy's Rohan's dress, I'm going to use green color. Okay, I will be making t-shirt with green color, shiny green. Okay, then what happened? Slowly and slowly their scheme started working. All friends, those 50 to 60 friends of colony, they decided, say, start from this corner. Okay, coloring, you will start from this corner. Standing lines, small standing lines without pressure. They all shared the same story in their schools. In schools also, they shared the same story that this was happening with Mother Earth. And if we will stop burning crackers, we can save Mother Earth. है ना? Ayushi and Rohan, they shared the story with their principal, sir. Sir, yeah, you can do blue also. Okay, sir, this is the condition. Please, that we can announce. I want to share this story. In assembly, please give me opportunity. Ayushi and Rohan requested principal, sir. In assembly, please give us opportunity. We want to share the same story to with every student of class, every student of school, so that they can save Mother Earth and take decision of not burning crackers. And principal sir permitted them. Okay. And this ways, their small action, their small determination of saving Mother Earth started showing its result. Slowly and slowly, first they two decided. Afterwards, 60 students, 60 children of their colony decided. And then all 60 students in their school, they announced. And this ways 1 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to 1000, 1000 to lakh, and lakh to millions. Millions were there who were determined after listening the story that if Mother Earth is crying and requesting, we will not burn cracker. And this ways, they all decide now what to do with money. See, this is brown, and I just want to show some circles. You can even take black, okay? Some pattern. Pattern always make a dress looking more cute. Now, this kind of circles can be made in t-shirt. Yes, okay. So they all decided, and they decided that the money collected, they were having money collection of money. Papa gave money to burn crackers. They will purchase plants and some gifts for the one who are needy and poor. And they did the same. Okay, 60% amount they got for purchasing crackers. They purchased plants from nursery. Okay, and yes, Bhumi, it means earth. See, now I want to show this wall. And this wall you can make with yellow ochre and brown color. Okay, and if you want to fill some other color, you can do that ways also. Okay, so how will you do? We'll start doing yellow ochre. Come on, do with me. This ways, sleeping lines. Okay, sleeping lines, and you will be doing in more than half. See, all of you see how I'm doing this particular part, more than half. This ways you will be doing yellow ochre. And now from here, you will come in yellow ochre and you will be doing brown. Come in yellow ochre. So you will be getting lovely mixing of colors. Okay, this ways. See, if you don't have yellow ochre, you can take any other light color also. Okay. See, here I mixed yellow ochre and brown, but you can mix any other color. You can go for pink and red. It looks great. Pink and purple will look great. Okay, you can try these two colors. So any light and one dark color. So first I will be doing yellow ochre in all the bricks. Okay, it will save my time. Okay, so all the students, all kids, they at the place of purchasing crackers, they purchase plants and gifts for needy. And from that day, they determined that on every birthday of their means each child determined that on every birthday, they will grow a plant. They will grow a plant at the place of asking for gift from mama and papa. They will ask mama, papa, please get me a plant. I will grow a plant on my every birthday. And even on birthday party, in return gift, we will give plants in return gift. So this was the determination they all took together. And the efforts of Ayushi and Rohan, they got published. And their article, their efforts got published in newspaper. That these two small kids are working so hard, and to others, those who read, they also decided that we will not. And this ways, their complete city celebrated eco-friendly Diwali that year. And you know what happened after that? And they grow plants nearby park or near mandir, in their lawn. They all grow plants. And at place of, that this news get published in newspaper and everyone get motivated and realize that, if this is happening to Mother Earth, we should stop burning crackers. Okay? So afterwards, what happened? They grow many, many plants all around. And all children, they were decided that they will be growing one plant every birthday. And complete Diwali, they celebrated without crackers. Right from morning, they decorated the whole colony. This complete group of kids, they decorated whole colony with marigold flowers, ashoka leaf flower, strings. They girls and mamas, they made rangolis. And they painted diyas and decorated complete colony with diyas. They distributed gifts and sweets to needy. And this way they all celebrate, but none of them. And afterwards, in night time, they dance, bhangra and all. Yeah, I'm repeating bricks. See, what I'm doing, this ways. This is yellow ochre color. You can take yellow also. I'm doing in more than half. More than half. Okay, here. And then I will start brown from here. So what will happen? We will get lovely mixing. I will come in yellow ochre and we will be getting lovely mixing of, see, okay, this ways we are going to do in all bricks. Okay, so first we are completing this first color. Okay, this is the way we are going to do. So after then the Diwali, and at night time, they all celebrated, they danced, they played Antyakshari, different competition, musical chair and all. They enjoy their Diwali night this ways. And they were very happy that this time their wise decision will definitely make Mother Earth happy. And finally, when Diwali night was over, after worshipping goddess Lakshmi, when Rohan and Ayushi were again in room, they went out and they started calling out, Mother Earth, can you hear me? Okay, so before... This ways, we will be completing. Okay, and see, as some mistake was there, I'm announcing again. Those who will be taking 6 months pack, they will be getting, the charges will be 3,500, and for 1 year plan, charges will be 6,000. It means complete discount of 50%. And this benefit, this special scheme is applicable only on top 100 students, the first 100 enrollments. Okay, as soon as we will get 100 enrollment, we will close this scheme. So you please hurry if you want to be the part of this beneficial, those who, especially those who want to take long-term plans. Those who are planning of taking long-term plan, they can take benefit of this special package. Okay, I will be taking brown and from here. Okay. Then when they went out and started calling, Mother Earth, Mother Earth, can you hear me? You know what happened then? Mother Earth started replying, oh, my dear Rohan and Ayushi, I don't know how to bless you. I'm giving my lots and lots and lots of blessings to you. You are such lovely, you're so young, but you really worked hard for my happiness. You just heal me by growing plants. And you convince everyone in the city. And see, I'm improving. My health is improving. Look at my skin. It's glowing. And if you would have not done this, most probably I would have died today on night of Diwali. Mother Earth and Ayushi, they promised Mother Earth, this is not only this time's Diwali. We are promising you, we will never, never let you sick. We will never leave you like that. We will keep growing plants everywhere, every corner. Even if those who live in apartment, we will tell them to grow plants in pots. Yeah, if you grow plants in pots, it also improves environment. We will do every possible efforts. We will save you, Mother Earth, because we love you. We really love you. You are like our mom. We will not let you turn ugly. We will not let you turn sick. We will care for you. We promise you, we will save you. And you know what? Mother Earth was smiling. She was laughing. And her words was full with energy and with lots of blessings. Mother said, may God bless you, my dear kids. May God bless you. Okay, this ways we will be completing. Okay, brown. And this was the story. And see, every time I request all of you that stories are not just to listen and forget. Stories are to learn. And this is today's situation. If you will pick up newspaper when the class will get over, you will be reading that country, this complete India has turned in a gas chamber. Do you know the meaning of gas chamber? In olden days, when some punishment was supposed to be given to some person, that person was locked in poison in a gas chamber. Gas chamber, it means a room which was filled with poisonous gases. Then what used to happen to that person? Because of breathing that poisonous air, that person used to die. And you know what? Today, our complete environment has turned into gas chamber. So harmful gases are there that we are not able to breathe. Old age people at home, they are not able to breathe. Newly born babies, they are not able to breathe. Even normal people, healthy people, they are not able to breathe. Yes. Okay, so this was the story, and this story, so today this is the condition. Mother Earth is actually crying, but we are not able to listen. We are least bothered about what will happen with Mother Earth. So students, this is a time to stand up and take lead, like Rohan and Ayushi does. Say no to crackers. If you really love your Mother Earth, say no to crackers. Because if we will burn crackers, the environment will turn so poisonous, we won't be able to even breathe. Yes, I'm repeating myself, we won't be able to breathe. And if we will not be able to breathe, what will happen? You know better than me. Okay? So please be determined that this Diwali, you are going to make Mother Earth happy and you will not burn crackers. Let me see how many of you promise that you're going to do so. Show thumbs up if you're going to do so. Yes, it's time to come up and take lead. Tell your mama and papa at place of crackers, okay? You can gift something to poor ones, poor kids, okay? Yes, see, after doing this, what we are going to do? We will be showing sky now, okay? And for showing sky, I will be picking up blue color, okay? Chalo. Yes, I will be taking blue color and I will start from sky. It's night, na? Come on, small strokes, one direction. I will be giving wash. And you will be giving wash with small strokes. You will not go for big, big strokes. Okay? Small, small strokes. And this was the story which we need to learn, which we need to implement in our life. This Diwali, let's make Diwali cracker-free Diwali, pollution-free Diwali. You can make rangolis. You can do so many things for making Diwali special. You can make it very joyful. See, yellow I will be applying here. Okay. Yeah, flowers you can overlap. I'm going to show yellow. Okay. I will be doing this blue. After doing blue, I will be coming to red. I will be coming to red. Okay. And after red, I will be coming to orange. These are the colors of light. Only here to show night. Let it overlap flowers. If your color is coming on flowers, let it come on flowers. It is not going to make a difference. And gradually, when it is coming down now, we will be showing orange. Now you will be showing orange, okay? Blue, red, and orange. In very small strokes. You will not pressurize. If you will pressurize your color, what will happen? You will get dirty lines. You will not get this even tone. You will get dirty lines and your whole artwork will be spoiled, okay? So you are supposed to orange. Let's go for orange. All around, small, small sleeping. You can see I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. Okay, the same you are supposed to do. And I'm again announcing before leaving that those who want to take long-term plans, please hurry. Okay, we really want that those who want to learn long-term should get special concession from our side. Okay, as a motivation. And this offer is definitely going to be very, very beneficial. Okay, for 6 months, the charges are going to be 3,500. And for 1 year, they are going to be 6,000. Okay. And this is for all groups, junior, senior, super senior, pre-junior, all groups. Okay. Now see, after orange, I will be doing yellow. I will be doing yellow. Yes, this ways. Okay, so this ways, what colors I mixed? This is blue, then red, then orange, and then yellow. Okay, yes, mix these colors. And this was the story of Rohan and Ayushi. And see, students, this is not a story. This is actually the truth happening all around. Hai na? We are least bothered. Everyone is least bothered about Mother Earth. What will happen if I will burn cracker? We think like this. But we never think that one small change makes a big difference. Okay, so please celebrate eco-friendly Diwali and share your photos with your friends and motivate them also. Okay, please, you also celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. See what's the condition. Okay, yes, see this ways. I will be giving wash and now it's time to show this complete string with watercolors. Okay, and I'm going to take pink. I will be taking pink. Okay. I can take yellow. I can take red. And yeah, why not white flowers? I will be adding few white flowers also. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, Arav, if you need to leave, you don't worry. You'll be getting recording also. The remaining stuff you can do with recording. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now we will be making flowers with different colors. So see, I have yellow, I have white, red and orange. And I took pink also. This is pink is a lovely color. Okay. So first I will start with light color, that is white. So let's make some flowers with white. Okay. I will be making this kind of dots. Okay. One flower with white here. 2, 3 flowers I will be making white. White is also a beautiful color. Na? Sometimes we make string with multicolored flowers. Okay, one flower I will be showing white here. Okay, let's make only 3 flowers white. Always start with light color. So what will happen? You will not have to change your earbud then. With one earbud, it will be done. Now in same earbud, I will be taking yellow. See, I took yellow and I will be making yellow flowers. Just make 5 to 6 dots and make a circle. Okay, marigold flowers. Orange will also look good. You can put orange also. And if you feel that you have only one color, you don't have so many colors, so you can just make string with one color also. Okay, see, I'm making few. Even orange flowers can also be made, okay? I made some yellow flowers. After this, I will be taking red. Okay, some flowers I want to show with red. I will be making some flowers with red. Close up, close up. Close up now, ये बहुत दूर हो गया. Yeah. And if you feel that your flower is big, so you can just make one more round of earbud. Okay, this kind of big flowers can also be made. I will be completing flowers this time also. So this, see students, the story, I'm really feeling happy that I'm able to share this story with you. But now this is your duty. This is your responsibility to save your Mother Earth. Okay? We can't leave it like that. You know? This is our duty to take care whether our mother is sick, if it is affecting health. We should take. See, if you want to color also, you can color it also. If you feel that, I want to. Now, see, I will take this pink color and remaining flowers I will be doing with pink. Okay, this is a beautiful fluorescent pink. You can take any other color also. I just want to make my flowers multicolored. Okay. So now see, this pink color is looking great. Yes. So what happened now, as I started my coloring with light colors, what happened? With one earbud only I'm able to finish. Otherwise, I would have to change my earbud again and again. To start with lighter tone, and you will be able to see here these flowers also I will be completing. Let's complete these flowers also, pink flowers. This is a beautiful fluorescent pink color. You can pick up any other color also. Okay, it's your choice. And see, my complete Vandanvar is going to be ready. If you want to make more flowers, you can make more. Okay. Today's drawing, these two small kids, Rohan and Ayushi, they gave us lovely messages that let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. And you must be thinking, if we will not burn crackers, Diwali will be very boring. I know you must be thinking this ways, but it is not like that. You believe me. When you decide that we will be decorating house with rangolis and all, your whole day will go in this. And night time, you can play some games. You can play Antakshari. You can dance. Musical chair, you can play together. So this ways, we can make it very different and eco-friendly also. Now see, my all flowers are about to get over. All are done. Okay. Only this flower in corner is left. I will be doing this also. And now see what I'm going to do. Yellow flower which I have now. Yellow flower. Center I will be making with red. For yellow flowers, I will be making center with red. And for dark colored flowers, see, for white flowers also I made center with red. Okay. And the flowers which are dark colored like pink and red, I will be taking white for making center. See, white. And this is all about our today's lovely Diwali special drawing. Okay. And as I showed you, Goddess Lakshmi's drawing is also there. So if you want to see, you can see on my YouTube channel and you can make it. Complete video of that demo class is available there. It was a demo class for, yes. And this ways it will be done. Okay. Don't forget and make it here also. Okay, and this ways our drawing is finished. You can see this wonderful, colorful string. Now the drawing is looking so colorful. Please lift up your files. I want to see your work. And please hold it for 2 minutes. Okay, hold it for 2 minutes. Yes, shabash. Very good, very good. You all are busy making string. I can see. Yes, continue doing. Okay, make many colorful strings. And I can see many of you made flower diyas here and there. And if you enjoy today's class and story, show a big thumbs up with smile. Yes, please. And if you're determined that you will be saving nature, you will be showing me a thumbs up. Please show thumbs up. Yes. Okay, that's it. Okay, so students, that's very nice of you that you listen, you understand. With this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, students.